7 pounds. Pouch, Purina Tidy Cats Breeze Pellets Refill Cat Litter. Allows urine to pass through for odor control. Dehydrates solid waste to prevent tracking. 99.9% dust-free formula. Allows for quick and easy litter box maintenance. Allows urine to pass through for odor control. Dehydrates solid waste to prevent tracking. Country of origin, United States. Control odor and make cleaning up your cat's litter box a hassle-free task with this Purina Tidy Cats Breeze Cat Litter Pellets Refill. Designed to work with the Tidy Cats Breeze litter system, sold separately, these litter pellets allow urine to pass through, leaving solid waste on top. This makes scooping your Breeze litter system quick and easy. These pellets are 99.9% dust-free, so they pour cleanly into your automatic cat litter box without leaving a mess behind. Designed to dehydrate solid waste, these litter pellets help to keep your cat's litter boxes clean and tidy. They are formulated for multiple cat households, so your feline family is happy and willing to make use of their cat corner. Featuring outstanding odor control, this pellet litter helps to keep your home smelling crisp and clean. Check litter box maintenance off your to-do list with these innovative litter pellets. Fill your cart with Purina Tidy Cats so you can fill your cat litter box with a quality option. Top reviews from the United States. Great cat litter. I have used this cat litter for many years and love it. No dust, no smell. Cat loves it too. He went from fine litter to these pellets with no problem. There is no sand spread everywhere. I would hate to use anything else.